So this is gonna be, it's a pretty big time commitment rolling my hair. I mean, and at the same time, I need to look at everything, make sure everything's okay. So I'm just gonna be taking my time. Let me show you. The way the curls go is you wanna try to loop it on there, on the bottom. I mean, you've seen me curl my hair like 1,000 times, so you should know. But you want, the curls in the front are gonna be like bangs, so they need to be as tight as possible. And my hair is so porous, like it's already drying up in the front at least. So I need to hurry up and get this show on the road. I'm gonna leave these curls up for like 2 days. I wonder if I should curl those up. Take the beads off. I don't want to take the beads off because I'll leave them here at home. But so I'm just gonna curl them a little bit like that. Yep, I'm just gonna do it like that because I don't wanna. If I take the beads off, I'll forget them. Dang, your forehead big as hell, fool. Got a lot of brain power. You know what I'm saying? You need to take 2 at a time because you want the whole, you need the whole lock. You need everything to fit on the roller. And if you have 3 on there, then everything won't fit and you're gonna be trying to get them on there, and that's not what you don't want to be struggling to get the locks on there. Now, I'm going to keep the purple locks with other purple locks and the blue locks with themselves so that it is a true block of color that I have right there. I rarely wash my hair and wear it straight. I don't know why that is. I just feel like if I'm finna wash my hair, I need to curl it up so that it can be its maximum cuteness. You know, that's just me. Also, my nails are cute. Okay, let me not waste too much time. What's up, everybody? My name is Bree and I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how you can wear your hair in a lot of different little hairstyles without using any bobby pins, any hair ties, any nothing. You're just putting your hair up with your own hair, and I got these very gorgeous loose curls going on. Baby, I curled my hair the other day because I was going on a date. It was 5. I kind of have this thing about destroying the curls, so I let them be loose for as long as possible, and I don't do nothing to them. But I want you to know there are a lot of different ways you can wear your curly hair, and you can do it without bobby pins and stuff like that. That way, like, you can maintain the curl for as long as possible. You know, if you're just wrapping your hair up with your own hair, then your curls probably gonna last longer. You know what I'm saying? If you're interested in watching this video, please stay tuned. I have a new nail girl, and she is 5. So she basically did this design right here where all my nails are, both of my hands are different, but they correspond to each other, you know, in terms of color and design. Yes, my girl is fire, okay? For all the people out there in the world who are tender-headed, like, I feel for you. Seriously, so I work in a salon, and I'm just like, I can't even wear styles all the time like, you know, people be getting, because Shawty is tender-headed, okay? Cannot put no style in my head. So when I wear my hair, if you're wondering, like, why don't you wear, like, styles and cute little barrel twists and stuff like that? Baby, because it hurts me, okay? But yeah, let me show you how to put your hair up and make it cute and stuff, and I'll be back to talk to you later on.
actually kind of cute. I could probably throw a little edge control. Nah, I don't feel like it, honestly. But I look like Medusa or something like that. Come hither, husband. The world is not catered to me because I'm tender-headed. I know the struggle. I'm finna show you how to put your hair up in a lot of different ways for all my tender-headed, fine-haired sisters out there that got the locks. Okay. Also, do you like the look? So, I mean, the look, I barely have any makeup on, but I got my eyebrows. Okay, and then Destiny did my lashes. The lashes look great. They are very, so I need a feel. I'll get a feel next week, but I love how she did them. She made them a little longer in the middle. That's the doll eye. It gives it a doll eye effect. And, yeah, and then I just put a dark lip on, you know. I don't have a bright red anymore. I don't know where it is. I don't have it anymore. But I do have some eyebrows. And so, you know, it's like whatever color you decide to wear, you need to just put your eyebrows on. And it's going to make the look. You know what I mean? So I got lashes, lips, and eyebrows. Lashes and lips, baby girl. Lashes and lips. Anyway, this is cute. I like the little haywire curls. The curls that are just like, you know. Anyway. I feel good. I feel content, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm finna grow. I feel like this life of mine, I'm finna actually like start stretching and growing. I mean, I feel like I've been doing that anyway, but you know, now it's time to knock some shit out the way. You know what I'm saying? Knock it down. Can you believe that I was gonna cut my hair? Yeah, so once I broke up with my friend and I also broke up with my boy that's a friend, so once I broke, hold on,